Tonight, I'm making a healthy meatloaf with all-natural ground beef, 85% lean. And if you have finicky eaters in your family that don't like vegetables, this is the perfect way to sneak vegetables into your food. No sodium vegetables is a plus as well. Doesn't add any salt to the diet, and you have a much healthier meatloaf. So I'm going to be putting in 85% lean, all-natural ground beef, corn, no salt, sweet peas, no salt added, parsley, rosemary, mushrooms, pepper, and onion. Forgot to mention, if you want extra salty flavor but you don't want any sodium, because I'm all about no sodium cooking these days, put some of that all blend spice into your meat. The meat's going to be salty enough, but you just want a little extra kick. Just sprinkle a little bit in. Give it a little extra flavor. This stuff is great. I use it on everything. Chicken, fish, you name it, it works for everything. So now you just mix that together, and then I'll show you the finished result. Okay, now the meat is in the pan, and you just mush it in place. I was going to use my nice vintage Pyrex meatloaf pan, but I can't find it, so I'm just using this regular one that I bought at the dollar store. Nothing fancy, but it has a good shape. It's perfect for the meatloaf. Perfect meatloaf size for 2 people. So this is what it looks like. And now what I do is I take ketchup. I'm using no sodium ketchup. And I put that on the top. Just like that. I'm running out. I have to buy more. And you just take your spoon and spread it across the top. Up and down like that. Then your meatloaf is ready. And then you just pop it in the oven at 375 for 40 minutes to an hour. Again, depending on your oven and your time. Just check it to make sure the meat is cooked. And I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Hey, Dad, how'd it come out?
Very good, Linda. Very good.
All right. So much sodium in foods. It's like you're learning how to cook all over again, but you don't realize all the stuff that goes into the food. There's so many things that have sodium in them. Spaghetti sauces, pudding, everything. It's like you have to make everything from scratch if you don't want the sodium. But that's how you become a healthier eater. Yeah, I like it. I think it came out delicious. The only thing is I drained the fat for the microwave. If you want a little bit more of a flavorful meatloaf, you should leave a little bit extra of the fat in it. You don't drain as much out. But what we're doing is we're mixing it with some unsweetened, no sodium applesauce, and it's really good. It's giving it a little extra flavor.